Now, let's fetch all the teacher with their students through the classes table. So for that, we will use the hasManyThrough relationship in Laravel. So let's open the teachers model first. Let's open this, and in here, let's create a new function for our relationship. Let's type public function students. Then inside here, let's return $days has many true. Then after that, we have to mention our last table that we want to fetch. For example, in our case, we want to fetch the students using the teacher. So we want the students. Let's type student model, student colon class. Then we have to type our intermediate table. So in our case, again, the intermediate table is classes. So we will call this one. So let's type classes colon class. Then the foreign key in the intermediate table. So the foreign key in the intermediate table is teacher ID. Now let's type teacher ID. And finally, the foreign key to students tables that connects classes with students. So in our case, this is the foreign key class ID. So we have to mention that. So let's type class ID. Now let's done. Now let's go to teachers controller and call this relationship. So let's open this, and instead of classes, I will type students. Same thing that we wrote in here. Now let's go to web.php and let's save them. Okay. Now let's go to web.php, copy this, and let's open this in the browser. So let's open this. Now in here, I got all the teachers with their students through classes table. So if I open this one, I have my teacher, then all the list of the students in here. So this is how we can make our one, two, where is it? Teachers model here. Our hasManyThrough relationship